Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be updating my bathroom floor. So the flooring that you guys see now is the builder's grade that was in here. It is a vinyl. I do not like the color of it anymore. So we are going to be updating it with this peel and stick wood plank. It's in the color taupe oak and I purchased 2 boxes. These boxes came from the Home Depot. And it was very reasonable, very reasonable. So I am just going to start laying them down according to how I want to lay them throughout my bathroom and start the process. So right here I'm debating if I want my flooring to go horizontal or vertical. And so I'm just kind of laying it down so that I can get an idea of, what the look would be either way. I ended up deciding on laying them vertical as you walk into the bathroom because I just felt like it flowed better. And also the flooring in my toilet room is not going to be the same tile. I'm going to end up changing it. So I figured it'd be easier to just lay this in front of that door that you guys see on the right. And it'll just make everything flow better. So 2 important things that I needed when laying this floor was a ruler and a razor. And the ruler also helps you draw a straight line because you definitely want your tiles to be flush against the wall. So it helps you make sure that you're cutting it at a, kind of a perfect angle. So I wanted to give the illusion of real wood. So if you notice on wood floors, they do not line up evenly. They are placed, the line separates at different places. So I made sure that for each piece that I laid, I cut it so that it did not end at the same points. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that I'm keeping a pattern. And by doing this, some pieces I had to cut really small to start with, and then I could just continue to lay the longer pieces until I got to the other side of the floor. For some of my edges, I kind of had to measure how far down I needed to cut into the plank so that it laid underneath the molding and flat across the edge of the flooring. In this process, probably the most complicated part was the corners, because some of my corners are not like a perfect 90-degree angle. So I had to keep cutting it to make sure that I had enough space at a slant so that it laid flush into the molding on the side. It was just really tedious, but I just kept cutting it with the razor until I got it. Okay guys, so this is midway through me laying all the pieces on the floor. I just have to go around the edges of the room. I wanted to save that for last because that is the most tedious part. And of course, all the scraps over here that's left over from me peeling everything. But it is almost done at this point. But when I say this was super easy, it was very time consuming, but as far as laying the pieces down, so easy, especially once you get that first edge done and you just start laying them, you know, next to each other and keeping the flow going towards the other side of the room. This is the final look. I absolutely love the color. I love the way that it looks. It looks like a completely transformed floor, transformed space, especially with the black and the white paint. Really loving the way it's coming together. I did not complete this all in one day, although you absolutely can, but because I was doing it by myself, I did lay some pieces and then I would take a break and do it like the next day or the next weekend. So I just kind of took my time with it, but I've got it all done and I'm in love with it. I saved money just to make it look more updated, and it really does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took some takeaway from how you can update your flooring as well. Very easy, very on a budget with, you know, peel and stick flooring. So I will see you guys in my next video, in the next bathroom video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, daisies.